Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Now let's install the Lighttpd Web Server by running the following command. After Lighttpd installed, run the command below to start and enable service. After that, you need to check the status. Now check the directory by using the following command. If you don't see an index.html file, you can create one using the command below. Lastly, open your web browser and visit the server IP address. You should see the index.html page. After installation is complete, install the MariaDB-server to your Ubuntu system by running the following command. After the installation is finished, run the system command below to start and enable the MariaDB servers. Also check the status. When the installation of MariaDB is completed, run the apt command below to install the latest PHP FPM on your Ubuntu system. After the PHP FPM package installation is complete, run the command below to start and enable the PHP FPM service. Check and verify the status. You can also check the PHP FPM service using the ss command. Now let's configure the PHP FPM with the Lighttpd. First, install the PHP FPM configuration file using NANO editor. Add the following configuration to the file. Now restart the PHP FPM service. Run the following command to enable Lighttpd, fastCGI and fastCGI PHP FPM modules. Edit the configuration file using NANO editor. Change the path of the socket to the next option. Save and close the file when you're done. Lastly, run the command below to restart the Lighttpd service and apply new changes. Now your LLMP Stack is ready to serve both static HTML and dynamic PHP web application. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.